Good morning! Welcome to Everyday Noms. Today, we are making keto vegetable curry. Here are the ingredients, or you can check out the full recipe in my blog, link below. First, heat up the oil. Throw in your fantastic 4 spices. Let it sizzle, but make sure your heat isn't too high. I have a link on my blog regarding spices in Southeast Asian cuisine. If you are interested, link below. Next, in goes the onion, garlic, and ginger. This video is totally not sponsored by Trader Joe's. Hi Trader Joe's, if you'd like to sponsor me, please email or DM. Huge fan. After that, throw in the carrots as it will take some time to soften. Once everything is looking fantastic, add your curry powder. I have also added chili powder as we like it real spicy, but it's optional. Add some water to make it a paste. Again, you don't want to burn the paste, but you do want to cook it for a while, so keep stirring and add more water or oil if it's a little too dry. When the paste starts to look shiny, add in brinjal, okra, and cabbages. My cabbages! Give it a good mix with the paste and then add the water. Leave it to boil. Once it starts boiling, add salt. If it all tastes good, you can go ahead and add the tomatoes near the end. At this stage, it is done when the vegetables are soft enough. But I added some leftover chicken in this one as I really don't like wasting food. If you want to further reduce your carb intake for the day, you can always skip the carrots and tomatoes. I am one of those people who don't count my macros. Eating well is enough work for me. I hope you can try it out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Till next time!